Egg on, cracking the meaning. Hello language enthusiasts. Today, we'll be diving into the phrase, egg on. No, we're not talking about breakfast. It's a unique expression that can be both puzzling and fascinating. Let's explore its meaning, origins, and how to use it in sentences. The phrase, egg on, is an idiomatic expression that means to encourage or urge someone to do something, especially something risky, foolhardy, or wrong. It's as if you're pushing someone to go further in a situation, even if it might not be the best idea. For example, if someone is thinking about doing a daredevil stunt and their friends are cheering them on, they are egging them on. The term egg, in this context, does not relate to the food. Instead, it's believed to come from the Old Norse word, eggja, which means to edge or to provoke. Over time, the phrase evolved into the modern-day egg on, emphasizing the idea of pushing or prodding someone towards a particular action. To really grasp any phrase, it's helpful to see it in action. Here are some examples. 1. Sarah didn't want to skip class, but her friends egged her on. 2. Despite the risks, the crowd egged the performer on to do another dangerous trick. 3. He was hesitant to sing at first, but we all egged him on, and he was brilliant. There you have it. Egg on is all about encouraging or urging someone, often into something they might not have done without the encouragement. Remember, English is full of quirky phrases like this, and understanding them can make the language even more enjoyable. Hope you found this explanation helpful. Keep exploring and happy learning!